Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to unbox a very big package which I received. I got a lot of items this time, and in this box I am going to show you all the things that I got. Also, you can use my code to get discount. My code is YESUL123001. You can get 30% off by using this discount code at FR Madcos website. These are their launches, their silky smooth foot peeling mask. I really enjoyed using this mask. It peels off your skin and it takes up to a week or more than that to heal. And this is their another product. It's the biocellulose mask, and this mask you can even put it for more than 30 minutes or so, and it's really moisturizing. And this is the another foot peeling mask. I got two masks, foot peeling one, and these are the warmers. You have seen in all those K-dramas using them, the warmer by shaking it. These warmers are amazing. You should use them in winters. And this is their another mask. It's nutrition and firming one, same the biocellulose, and it's more for your wrinkles and fine lines. This can also be used more than 30 minutes. And this is the pamphlet of the brand Absolute, and this brand have two products, the tune-up cream and the shampoo. And I received the shampoo from them, and it's known as Deep Tox. It contains the sea salt, which helps in exfoliating the scalp, and it really helped with my dandruff. It also refreshes your scalp. Such a great shampoo, I must say, but don't let it get into your eyes. It is very stingy. And this is the hand cream which I received. It's from the brand Ariel. You must have heard about this brand. So the next product is from the Skin RX Lab Whipped Cleanser, and this cleanser builds up a lot of foam. That's why it cleanses your skin so well. It take out all the gunk from your skin and makes your skin squeaky clean. And now the next product is the eye neem lip tint. I have also posted a short. You can check it out, the shade, how it looks. This is very glossy and it almost feels like a lip oil. It's very glossy. And this one is the another product from Skin RX Lab. It's the Med Cera cream. This is placed as #1 cream by all the netizens, and they really like this cream. Even I enjoyed using this cream a lot. It makes your skin barrier really strong. You really won't get repeated breakouts. And I hope that you enjoyed this video today. It was quite a long video than the usual I posted, because I received a lot of products this time, lot of items. Thank you so much, and follow my Instagram account for more. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.